Hi, good morning. Hey. This is a not so half-naked report from Thailand. We are going to Penang today in Malaysia for what's called a Visa Run. And right now we are sitting at our restaurant, or today's morning's restaurant, and planning stuff and, you know, checking that we have everything with us. We're going to take you on the trip today, and hopefully it's going to be interesting. Maybe we can learn something. You never know. We are using a visa tour company, so we're going to be picked up at 8 p.m. today. It's going to be an all-nighter through, from what we understand, really curvy roads in the southern parts of Thailand. So from Phuket, Rawai beach to Penang should take 7, 8, 9 hours. So let's see how it goes. And we came home to this. We are now mom and dad. Oh, you will wait for 2 days and you have a whole 3 kittens on the porch. Okay, let's take it from here. We also tried to actually exchange money, but the Malaysian ringgit, they don't seem to have it, or they, let me put it like this, they don't seem to want to change it. Here. So that's a car with a stereo. So the song time is actually just hop on and hop off.
Walk, 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 walk.
So we are closing in on departure time, and I'm guessing we're gonna go buy a white minivan today. Let's see. The place is here. It's called New Eve Visa. Very good stuff. Hopefully, maybe, who knows. Thank you. Annika. Huh? Apa salah? Well, we have an air condition, we have a refrigerator, Then we have a toilet and a shower. Ja, så att du tar en kopp kaffe kanske och en smörgås, sen fick jag ungefär lite. Ja. Penang, Malaysia. More or less same but different from Thailand. The sidewalks are dangerous too, in a different way. The sewer system is completely open, more or less. So if you want to take a swim, yeah, just go ahead, just jump right into it. Har lite riktiga grejer här också. Modern större. Some cool vending machines. You can do your own laundry. Cool place. Seems like they're doing as they're doing in Bangkok, and they are replacing a lot of old stuff with spanking new stuff. I don't know if I like that or not, but
Chocolate and coffee museum. It's something for me. Oh, ice cream coffee.
they are using the horn in Malaysia too. Not really the Waldorf I had in mind, but you know. Driving on the sidewalk, it works. Oh, I haven't flown that drone in so many months, and it feels like you have the training wheels on again. If you haven't tried it, try a drone, and but I warn you, you may get actually addicted to it. And read up on the rules first. Malaysia, you can fly without a permit, but you need to obey by the rules. If you use DJI, I saw the app was actually pretty good at geofencing me. So use the app, abide by the rules, and you'll be fine. So we had I had some durian coffee. Pleasantly surprised that it was really good. The coffee was cold. Maybe that helped, but it had a smell to it, but still, it was still really good. So I liked it. Super duper driver.
Även om jag tycker att trafiken är lugn så är de argare här.
Ja, det är.
Ja, här har vi en liten...
Det är coolt ändå alltså.
Det är jättekul. Titta fram där och så kommer det med ett stora grejer vid sidan.
And that was something extra for you. And wherever you go in Asia, there's always some shopping you can do. Those pants she's holding is 12 Malaysian ringgit. One of the things I like with Penang is they have price tags on almost everything, and the price tags, you know, when you go up and ask how much it is, it's half the price directly. So they negotiate with themselves pretty fast. So, but they have kind of cool things. It's a bit different from Thailand.
Ooh,